We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony, and I'm excited today. I don't know if you can see behind me. We got some Prizm basketball draft picks to open, and I'm on the hunt for some LaMelo Ball, and I want some Isaac Okoro because that was the Cavs' #1 selection. So let's see what we can find, guys. Wish me luck. Let's dive into this rip. All right, guys, so like I said, we do have a brand new product to debut here on the channel today. We're talking about Prizm draft picks, the brand new basketball set that is out featuring Anthony Edwards and my man LaMelo Ball. So I'm going to dig into this thing and hopefully find myself a LaMelo and some Isaac Okoro for the PC. So that's a quick look at the box. Here's some of the stuff that you can get in it. Hopefully we'll find a LaMelo auto. That'd be so sick. I'd be such a happy camper if that happens. So without further ado, let's dig into this sucker. And of course I forget my knife. It's a good thing I have all these muscles to rip it open with. There's a peek inside the box for you. It does come with 7 packs, 4 cards per pack, in all of their glory. So let's just go ahead and start from the top and work our way down. All right, guys. First player we got here, Aaron Naismith. Not bad. There we go. Onyeka Okongwu. It's a nice pick right there. Robert Woodard. We got a green. Then we have an Ashton Higgins. Next pack, guys. Hopefully we'll be able to find some good stuff. Really looking for some LaMelo action. All right, here we go, guys. Got Trey Jones. James Wiseman green. Come on. That's the #2 overall pick to the Warriors. That is a nice hit right there. That's probably the best card of the rip thus far. Then we got a Jaden McDaniels, Crusade, and a Patrick Williams. He went #4 to the Bulls. He was considered to be like the reach of the draft. But I guess we'll see. Maybe the Bulls know something that a lot of experts don't. All right, guys, so here's the next pack. We have Devin Dotson. I think I just spoiled it. I don't know if you saw whose face was peeking out at us in that green, but let's just say I'm going to be happy when we get to it. Got Cassius Stanley. Here comes the green. You ready? Boom! Anthony Edwards Crusade, baby! The #1 pick right there. That is what I am talking about. This has been a nice box. And then we got Obi Toppin on the back. And y'all know that there ain't no stopping Obi Toppin. He went #8 to the New York Knicks. I was actually doing a lot of research on Toppin because I thought that my Cavs were possibly going to take him. But they didn't. They took Isaac Okoro. So I'm now on the hunt for that Isaac Okoro for the PC. Okay, so we got Xavier Tillman. Devin Vassell. He was a first-round pick. It's a decent one. Jaden McDaniels. And a Sadiq Bey. He went to, pretty sure the Pistons picked up Sadiq. So that was a sneaky good pick by the Pistons. They're putting together some pretty nice young pieces over there. All right, so we got an Aaron Naismith Crusade. Tyrese Halliburton. That's a nice one there. Oh, yeah, baby. We got that green LaMelo Ball. That is what I am talking about, folks. My man Melo. And then we got Precious Achiuwa. That's what I'm talking about. The Crusade. This has been a fire blaster, guys. My goodness. I think we got a silver in this pack here. So we got another Aaron Naismith. which is awesome. Silver Tyrese Halliburton, guys. There's like several cards in this blaster that I'm going to probably have to send in for grading just because of how sick this has been. Okay, then we got the Cassius Winston. Daniel Otero. You know what sucks? I saw the last name first when I pulled this, and I saw the O, and I'm thinking Okoro, and I'm like, dang. All right, guys, so we are getting into our very last pack here, and we have not yet pulled Isaac Okoro. So hopefully that means there's an Isaac Okoro auto in this pack. Oh, yes. So first card on the front is a James Wiseman. This is so awesome, guys. I'm getting sick cards in this. Denny, baby. Yeah. I was going to say, we haven't pulled one of him yet either. So that's a nice one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, Jaden McDaniels. That's a purple pulsar, I believe. That is nice. This would have been nice to get the Isaac Okoro in. Last card is a Tyler Bay. So let me give you guys a little bit of a recap here. I'm going to kind of just pull out some of the cards that I think are definitely recap worthy. Some of the better players. All right, guys, so here we go, the recap. We take it that James Wiseman green. We got the purple pulsar of Jaden McDaniels. We got the Denny base. Got a James Wiseman base. The silver Tyrese Halliburton. The green LaMelo. The green Vassell. There ain't no stopping Obi Toppin. My man Anthony Edwards. Green Crusade. And the Robert Woodard green. So those were the big hits of this. But do me a favor, guys. Let me know which cards you like the best in this rip, because you could potentially win them. All right, guys. The previous winner from this video right here is none other than my man, Paul, Gate City Picker. Congratulations, Paul. Make sure you let me know which card you would like, my friend, and I will get it sent right out to you. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. I do have a few extra blasters left. If anyone's interested, I'm selling those for $40. So just send me an email. I have my email, all my contact information down below. So feel free to check that out. I do have it on eBay as well, but you'll pay more than $40 on eBay. So if you're interested in purchasing a blaster or a couple, get a hold of me. They will probably sell pretty fast, so preferably soon. If not, they'll be gone already. But guys, anytime I come into product, I will definitely try to make it available to you guys at a lower rate than I would sell it on the secondary market. So I appreciate you watching, and until next time, may God bless. Take it easy.